friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Judy Hopps from Zootopia, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First we're going to get started with her eyes. So we're going to split our page in half. So we're going to step over to the left hand side, and we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap, stepping over on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, just replicating that. On the top left-hand side now, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then coming down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a second highlight, just making this circle smaller. Now let's just color in our eyes black. Let's give her some eyelashes. So on the top, we're going to curve this triangle up, bringing that back in. We'll do the same thing on the right. And we're going to do the same as we move underneath, curving this out, pulling that back in. And then again, we're just going to color these in black. We're going to add in some details around the eye. So on the top, on the inside, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same on the left. Now from here, we're going to curve this line over, pulling this around and through on the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side. So curving this around, pulling this around, and then back in on the bottom. We're going to add in her eyebrow above. So on the top here, we're going to arch this line over and then down. And then we're just going to color that space in black. Now let's draw in her nose. So right on the top in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then we're going to close this off underneath, arching this around and then back through on the side. In the middle, let's just curve a small line that comes across towards the right. And then now moving up, we're just going to add in a small detailed line, curving that over. And then now moving up, we're just going to add in a small detailed line, curving that across. Now in the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming down. And then we're going to curve this line up on the left and right hand side. We're going to add in a corner bracket on both sides. Now let's draw in the head. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line around, tucking that in on the left-hand side. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we move around on the right-hand side, curving this around and back in, ending that at the same distance there. Let's close this off. So we're going to relatively flatten this one out. So we're going to bring this line all the way over and in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the nose on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and down on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the ears. So leaving a gap from the center, again stepping over on the left, we're going to arch this line all the way up. And we're going to bring this back around and over on the side. We're going to replicate this on the right hand side, curving this all the way up and bringing this back around and in towards the side. Let's do the exact same thing in the middle. So we're just going to follow that shape as we tuck this all the way around and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in her body. So we're going to draw in for the neckline here for the police vest. We're just going to draw in a curved line. And then on the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve this line down, ending that at the same height. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line out. And then on the corner there, we're going to curve this line around and in for the hand. Now for the first finger on the bottom here, we're going to curve this around and in. We'll move in towards the middle, replicating that. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we move up, curving that over and then back in. Let's close off the glove on the hand here, arching this line down. And now let's finish off our arm. So on the inside, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through towards the middle. On the top here, we're going to bring this line out, bending that, bringing that back down towards the hand. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw in a curved line, bringing that across on both sides. And then now in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a curved line, closing that vest off. Let's draw on the badge on the right. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then we'll draw 2 diagonal lines coming out on both sides. Now on the inside, we're going to pull that diagonal line in towards the middle, joining that together at a point. And now let's draw the star right in the center. So we're going to draw in the top point. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well as on the right. Now from here, we're going to pull this line down on a diagonal, bringing that back up in the center to finish off our star. Let's draw on her belt. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line across. We'll do the same on the right. And then we're going to pull this line straight down towards the bottom. We'll bring this line back out and across towards the right and the left. And then again, we're just going to bring this line up on the side. Let's pull this line up in the middle. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line over. Then we'll do the same thing on the outside as well. And then we're just going to add a small button. So we're just going to add a small circle right in the center. Let's add in the belt buckle right in the middle. So we're just going to draw in a square. In the middle here, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming across, drawing those at the same size. Close that off with a straight line. On the top and bottom, just a small straight line coming out on either side. And then we'll pull this line over towards the right. Let's flatten this out, pulling this line up. Let's close off the belt on the top, left and right hand side, bringing that straight line across. We'll do the same thing as we move underneath. Now in the middle for the legs, we're just going to curve this line over. Then on the inside, we're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. Now for the feet, we're going to curve this line out on the left and right hand side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and in. Let's close off the leg by bringing this line up towards that belt. Now we'll finish adding in the details. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line over, do this on both sides. For the toes, we're just going to curve 2 small lines coming in. And then above here, just drawing in another curved line coming across on both legs. Now let's move up. We're going to arch this around and through on the side. And then moving in towards the middle, we'll replicate that again. And And that is it. That's how you draw Judy Hopps from Zootopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.